The second point of IUPAC nomenclature, the IUPAC names of fused and bridge-headed ring system bridged ring systems molecules. That is IUPAC nomenclature of fused and bridged रिंग सिस्टीम कंपाऊंड्स. ह्याच्या पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर्स ऑफ स्पायरो कंपाऊंड्स हा पॉईंट्स आपण कवर केलेला आहे. आजच्या लेक्चर्समध्ये आपण IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर्स ऑफ फ्यूज्ड रिंग सिस्टम्स लाईक द कंपाऊंड, the cyclic two cyclic molecules, they are joined together by the two common carbon atoms. These are the common carbon atoms and these are the common carbon atom for ring A and ring B. That means ring A and ring B joined together by two common carbon atoms. This system is known as, that is, fused ring systems. And the bridged ring systems, like suppose these are the molecules, that is two ring nucleus joined together by non-adjacent that is bridge headed systems, that is bridging formed between these two rings. Therefore this is known as bridge headed systems. In the today's lecture we have to learn the IUPAC rules and examples of headed molecules, IUPAC rules for naming of the bridge headed or fused ring system molecules. If this molecule contain any substituents, this bridge headed or fused ring system, then the substituent always list at the prefix with its position, that is location numbers. Then if you have unsubstituted molecules, at the prefix you can write the word bicyclo. These are the important word as like this pyro compound. Then after the bicyclo word, then square bracket which contain the number of carbon atoms in each ring indicated in the bracket in the descending order. Here you can follow the descending order. Descending order excluding the bridge headed carbon atoms. The number are separated by dot. Then next one, the numbering start. Numbering of system start from one C atom from larger ring followed by smaller ring. If there is substituent present, then they are indicated before the prefix bicyclo and are to be arranged alphabetically along with respective numbers. The functional group of highest priority is given minimum number and it's incorporated at the suffix in the name of parent alkane. After the numbering, then the square bracket is followed by the name of parent alkane corresponding to the total numbers of carbon atoms in the ring, including common carbon atoms. That is parent name including common carbon atoms. That is total C atoms in the system. These are the IUPAC rules for the nomenclature of fused or bridged ring system molecules. Now the first example, suppose these are the ring A and ring B. According to IUPAC nomenclature rules, these are the unsubstituted molecules. Therefore, at the prefix, the word bicyclo you can write. After the word bicyclo, then there is square bracket. In this square bracket, you can write the number of carbon atoms according to the descending order. That means the larger ring numbers is first, then smaller ring numbers excluding the common carbon atoms. Therefore, the A ring contain these are 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 dot. The B ring contain 1, 2, 3, and here there is no any bridging carbon atoms. Therefore, 4.3.0 you can write in the square bracket. After this square bracket, then the numbering of these molecules, the numbering start from one of the common carbon atoms. Therefore, here these are the two common carbon atoms. These are the one, these are the second. Therefore, numbering start from the one of the common carbon atoms 1. These are the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here there is total 9 numbers. Therefore, the root name is known and the corresponding alkane of the molecule is, after this square bracket, the name of this molecule is the total number of 9 carbon atoms present in this system. Therefore, the root name is known and the ending, that is suffix, from the nature of these molecules. Here the all groups are single bonded. Therefore, you can end with ANE. Therefore, the name of this molecule is bicyclo in square bracket 4.3.0 nonane. These are the correct IUPAC name of these molecules. Suppose the second example, these are the first example. Second example, the nature of molecule is bridging, like these are the bridge headed systems. Here there is unsubstituted. Therefore, at the prefix, the word bicyclo. After the word bicyclo, then square bracket. In the square bracket, the number of carbon atoms excluding common carbon atoms. Therefore, this ring contain these are the 2, these are the 2, and these are the bridging 1 carbon atoms. Therefore, in square bracket, there is 2 dot 2 dot. In the bridging, there is 1 carbon atoms. Therefore, 1 square bracket complete. After this square bracket, you can numbering from the one of the common carbon atoms. Therefore, numbering start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at the end, that is bridging number 7. Therefore the root is helped indicate that is number of 7 carbon atoms, and these are the again the unsaturated single bonded molecules. Therefore you can ending with Ane. Therefore the name of this molecule is heptane. Suppose the one another example like 6-membered ring system, CH3, here double bond. The IUPAC name for this molecule. Now here there are the substituent present in the bicyclic molecules. Therefore at the beginning of the nomenclature of this molecule you can write the number and name of these substituents. Therefore you can start numbering common carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this there are total 8 carbon atom present in the ring system, that is the root name is oct. Now IUPAC name for these molecules, the before the word bicycle you can write the number and name of the substituent. At the second carbon atoms there is one substituent is present, that is methyl group. Therefore the 2 dash methyl dash the word bicyclo, then square bracket. In the square bracket you can write the number of carbon atoms of both ring from descending orders, that is larger ring number first 1, 2, 3 and 4 dot 1 and 2 there is no any bridging, therefore 0, that is 4.2.0. then the in this molecule there are 8 carbon atoms, therefore the root name is oct, and this molecule contain one double bond, that is one unsaturations. Therefore these are the functional group. At the ending you can write number and the name of this functional group, that is ene. Therefore here the double bond present on the carbon number 3 dash ene. The name of this molecule is 2-methyl bicyclo square bracket 4.2.0 oct. Oct indicate 8 carbon atom present in the ring system. 3, these are the indicate the number of double bond present in the carbon number 3. En, that is one double bond. That is, these are the correct name of these molecules. The nomenclature of these molecules. Now see, there are the different substituents. These are the Br substituent, methyl substituents. These are the functional group. These are the one double bond. In this molecule there are the different size ring nucleus present. Therefore before the name of this molecule you can number these compounds. The numbering start from this end due to these are the main functional group of this nucleus. Therefore the one common carbon atoms, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10 and these are the 11. That means this system contains total 11 numbers of carbon atom present. Therefore root name is undec. Before naming of this molecule you can list at the prefix, that is these substituents and its numbers according to alphabetical order. The name of Br is first, then methyl. Therefore the number of Br is 4 bromo dash 3 dash methyl then the word bicyclo. After the word bicyclo, square bracket, in the square bracket you can write numbers from the descending order. Therefore this ring contain 1 2 3 4 4 dot 1 2 3 3, and at the bridging there are two carbon. These are the first and these are the second. Therefore the 4.3.2, then the system is 11 carbon atoms. Therefore the root name is undec. Then at the 8th carbon atoms there is double bond, that is one unsaturation. Therefore 8 dash ene indicate the one double bond, and at the 7th carbon atoms there is main functional group present, that is aldehyde dash 7 carbaldehyde. Due to the aldehyde group present outside the ring, therefore the name of this molecule is 4 bromo 3 methyl bicyclo 4.3.2 undec 8 in 7 carbaldehyde. These are the practice examples. Write correct name of this molecule and send answer.